Hey everyone, Henry here. Welcome to another video. It's been a hot minute for posting on YouTube. Had to take some time away from me being sick, my family getting COVID, but I didn't get COVID. I just got some really wicked food poisoning and doing some new things to fit into my schedule for just mental health. Like I started doing Krav Maga and working out pretty much every day. Except for the weekends. I even filmed a wedding last weekend and got some sun. But today we are actually going to be talking about Frame.io. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. So Adobe and Frame.io actually just made a deal where Frame.io is available in the Adobe Creative Cloud Suite. This actually happened like a few weeks ago. And I've been kind of just playing around with it lately on and off and testing out some of the things like sending myself raw footage and seeing how everything looks like on, doing the revisions and just stuff like that. But I've used Frame.io before. I have used Frame.io in the past at a company where I did freelance video editing. We've used it for sending revisions to each other, little notes on the video clips and stuff that we send. You can even send, whole video files to people. The software, I will say that the software is free to use if you have the Adobe Creative Cloud. But if you want to add one other user to your team, then you will have to pay a little bit for that. If you're a freelance videographer and you're doing like multiple projects like every day, and you're doing like YouTube, you're filming weddings, you're doing events, you're doing corporate shoots, etc. And you're filming all these projects and you got these people to edit them for you, and you can do a little bit of editing yourself. You can have those video editors added to your team on Frame.io. They send you the videos that they made, and instead of like sending them an email saying, hey, at minute mark 2 minutes, and instead of sending them an email with a list of time code 1 minute and 40 seconds, add a clip here or cut this out here, in the software, whenever you see something, you can just start typing and immediately the video pauses and it adds a little marker to that point of the video. And then you can just be like, cut here, or add a video clip of the bride's mom here, or whatever. And then you'll see over on the right of the screen, you'll see a list of all the comments and the revisions that people post. And then from there, whenever people do the revisions, you can start checking them off as you do it. And then when you're all done and you send the final video in, put like, official or final copy or something, and then you can just download from that software as well. I've been also messing around with seeing what it looks like to send like raw video files to like my clients on the software, just to see what it looks like. And you'll end up getting a lot of emails if you use multiple folders. So every folder that you use, you have to send another email. For some reason, if you have one folder and then you have all these other subfolders, like a folder named, getting ready, and that has all the getting ready clips of the bride and groom getting ready. And then if you have another one like for like ceremony, all the video clips of the ceremony. And then another folder for reception or something, or sunset portraits, whatever. For some reason, it just doesn't let you do like folder inside of a subfolder. Again, it's a really great software. It's easy to use, very straightforward, and it takes no time to learn how to use it. Anyways, that's it for me now. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and then I'll see you guys at the next video.